So I've got the team and I've got the songs. I just need you. Hi, my name's Cory Young and welcome to the campaign for my new album, Tan Lines. Tan Lines is a collection of songs I wrote while on the road last year, as well as since I've been in Las Vegas. The thing that makes this new project different than my other albums is I wrote all the songs myself. Ever since I moved to Nashville at 19 years old, songwriting has always been about co-writing. This time I wanted to see what I could do myself. Being in Las Vegas, I was a little more isolated than I've been in the past. I also used the opportunity to pick up some more instruments and learn some more music theory and really take my music to the next level. I'm really excited about the batch of songs that I have for you, and I've got some great perks if you'll help me make this album. The thing I'm most excited about is making this album together. The further you go down in the list, the more you become part of the album. In addition to just pre-ordering the album, there are also opportunities to really become part of the album. A select number of people will have the opportunity to have their name actually listed in the liner notes of the album, as well as receive all the perks prior to that. Going down the list, you really become part of the album. I have a limited number of opportunities. I'm going to put your logo on my guitar for 1 year. Every show, I'm going to rock that. I also have opportunities for sponsorships. These are people that are actually going to have their logo or their name on the album artwork. Every CD printed, every CD sold will have your name on it. The thing I'm most excited about. Last year when I made my Rehabilitation album, I brought a friend with me. They were blown away by the process in Nashville and the team that I had to work with. This time, I want to give two people the opportunity to come into the studio. I don't just want you to sit there. I want you to help me make this album. There are 2 spots for executive producer spots on the album. You're going to be in the studio the week of September 24th through September 30th. Help me make decisions. This guitar solo, that guitar solo, you pick it. Every time you hear that song come on the radio, you're going to know that you picked that guitar solo. The hardest part about a project like this is having the right team. Fortunately, I have the same team that I used on my Rehabilitation album. I've got a great producer led by Dave DeMay and a team of some of the best musicians on earth. So I have the team and I have the songs. I just need you to make Tan Lines a reality. Take a look at the perks, take a look at the rewards, and let's make an album together.